In today's video, I'll show you how to change administrator's email on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Control Panel. Then from the best matches, just open up Control Panel. And after that, make sure your view by is set to large icons. Then you'll find user accounts over here. Just go inside it. And after you have done that, what you need to do is click on Change Account Type. Now, as you can see, you can set it to standard or administrator, but my account is already administrator account. So to change it to another account and give the another account administrator permission, what I have to do is click on Manage Account. And from here, I have to click on Add a new user in PC settings as I don't have another account. So if you don't want this account, you need to create another account with a new email. So just click on this. It's going to open this up. Just click on Add Account over here. It's going to open the Microsoft dialog box up. Just sign in with a new email and create an account. And after you have done that, what you can do is just come back over here and then click on Manage Account, and you'll see your second account over here. Just select that. And after you do, you need to come back here and click on Change Your Account Type. Then that account will be set to standard and you need to change it to administrator. And after you do that, just click on Change Account Type. And your email address for your administrator account type will be successfully changed because you have changed your accounts. And basically that is it. And that is how to change administrator email on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.